Please welcome on stage SmartData.
Okay, so hello everyone. So imagine that you have lots of data and you need to analyze it. But there is a problem because it is quite difficult to do that. So what SmartData does, it provides questions about the user data and then analyzes the answers. So, for example, if we have police data about crimes in a city, we can then make predictions or classify data about the crimes. To be exact, we will choose the predictions of possibilities of the crimes, and then we will visualize it on a map. So yeah, all that's left is to put in the parameters so the analysis could be made. And yeah, the calculations are complete, and then you get some kind of a result. So we can choose the crime type and the month, and when we press submit, we can see the probabilities in certain areas of the cities of if the crime will happen or not. So, but it's just the only one type of data. This app, not an app, and platform could be used in different kinds of areas, like sales, or maybe workload optimization, where maybe you can get the data about the intensity of the customers, and then you can save maybe the number of the workers. Or also you can use in healthcare industries or logistics or even in gambling. So it's pretty universal. We would make a service with a subscription fee that I don't know, it would be probably monthly, when then the fee and the program would be about data analysis. Yeah, so it's a minimum viable product, and we would try to sell it on organizations that need the analysis and don't have enough funds to hire very high data experts. So that is pretty much it. Thank you for listening.
Wow.
Okay, so what are the sources, or who are the sources that you're getting your information?
We use open data from the UK. We are very glad that they give it for free. So, and we didn't choose all the data. We just used a triangle. It's more fun and easier and faster to count. We of course could pick a lot of data, but it would take longer for the machine to learn, so to speak.
Okay, but now, what's the barrier to entry for somebody else in this room to come up with the same thing that you're doing?
Can you repeat that, please?
Yeah, so what is the barrier to entry for someone else not to create the same thing? You're using open source data.
Open source, well, at least in my country, it's hard to get. Okay. Because it's not open. You have to go through a lot of barriers. Yeah, okay, I forgot the question.
So what is the technical magic?
Technical management. So
magic. What is the technical magic? What is the thing that's the most difficult thing that you did technically?
It's probably to set out the questions. When you get the questions right, then you get the correct answers. Then all you need is just the data preparing, and then it's just put it into I don't know, a cloud maybe, and then it just learns by itself and then gives out the predictions or the analysis.
So data is open for everybody, but that's your uniqueness is analytics. What kind of algorithm you own, or what is developed by you or your team?
This example was created when you used the linear regression. It's well, kind of math functions, to be simple, but Yeah, there are a lot of other functions, but just for this example, we used it because, yeah, in one overnight. So just one
So this example that you have shown was only a demonstration of the display feature of the data on the map. Is that correct?
No.
Or there is an actual analytic that somebody can use and make decisions, or you are suggesting to make some decisions based on the data?
We give the data, some of the data, to learn, give to the machine so it can learn. And then with some new data, it can make predictions. Or maybe some kind of values are put in, and by what it had learned, it can provide some answers.
Well, I did not understand that, but thank you. And I have a good news for you.
All right, and time is up. Thank you very much. Thank you.